Raise a glass and celebrate the holidays with something fizzy and festive. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to shake up your holiday cocktails or mocktails with a unique spin on 2 bubbly beverages that'll razzle-dazzle your guests: spiked cranberry kombucha cocktail and matcha mint mocktail. For our cocktail, place 2 tablespoons of fresh rosemary in a cocktail shaker tin. Use a muddler to bruise the rosemary and release its aromas. Then add 1 cup of fresh cranberries, half a chopped navel orange, and 1½ ounces of vodka. Use the muddler to crush the cranberries and oranges to release their juices. Next, add about ½ cup of ice to the shaker. Cover and shake hard and fast for about 20 seconds to blend the ingredients. To serve, fill a cocktail glass with ice and pour in the strained cranberry mixture. Top with a ½ cup of cranberry kombucha and garnish with a fresh rosemary sprig and cranberries. The kombucha craze is here to stay. This drink is fizzy, festive, and functional with probiotics. For our matcha mint mocktail, muddle together 2 tablespoons of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of agave nectar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Then, toss in a 1/4 cup of crushed ice and shake well. Strain into an ice-filled cocktail glass and top with Hy-Vee club soda before serving. Now, all of your guests have 2 delicious holiday drinks to choose from. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Dietitians.